Leetcode daily challenge 474 ones and zeros. So this is a knapsack problem, which is about to find out a maximum value of a from all the combinations with a given limit. It would be great if you understand this knapsack problem from mathematical perspective, but it doesn't matter if you don't. All we have to know, or my suggestion here for this problem is always try DP. So this is a dynamic programming problem. With a given m and n, we can initialize a grid with m and n, and for each grid, each cell, it will be the maximum value of this combination. So imagine we have something here. That means this is the maximum value of the strings. Can I have one digit 1 and one digit 0? With a string, say this one, which is 30 and 11. That means if we pick this string up, we're gonna have 3 more zeros and 1 more 1, which gonna be make this 1 1 to 2 4 to, let's say, just here. So, let's say 2 4. One, one, 2 4. These two grids are connected or directly related. So the grid in 1 1 plus 1 will be the maximum value in 2 4. This is how we manage this DP. Another thing is to solve this problem, what we want to go through this DP process backwards, because we don't want to handle this string multiple times. By the way, the video from now on will be coding only. Feel free to fast forward.